Hello guys, Ossama-boy gaming here. We're about to play some GoreBox old fusions. So right here, we're going to kill all of these prisoners. Escape out through the jail. What the hell? How did you escape out there? Never seen it before. Oh, maybe shoot that tough guy. I'm gonna kill you. Oh shit, he's got weapons. Oh man, he got terminators. Let's kill all of these bastards. We should have big weapons. Yeah, take that. You never escape out again, jails, you stupid prisoners. You never escape again. Oh, I can finally go outside. Wait, wait, he's dead already. Wait, he's dead. Okay. I guess these people are nearly God. They probably should be dead. I never seen it in my life before. This is what I happens for it. Just shut him out.
Let me see.
Warning. Warning. A blood moon event has begun. This is not a test. This is not a drill. All residents must stay indoors immediately. Lock all doors and windows. Do not go outside under any circumstances. Do not look at the moon. Avoid all windows. If the blood moon becomes visible from inside your home, turn away immediately and do not attempt to observe it. Reports indicate that direct visual contact may result in severe danger. If you believe the blood moon is observing you, remain calm, stay hidden, and do not make any sudden movements. The blood moon may cause catastrophic damage to homes, cities, and surrounding areas. Impact in your location is possible. Seek shelter in the most secure area of your home. Stay low, remain quiet, and wait for further instructions. Do not attempt to leave your shelter until an official all clear is given. Stay safe. Further updates will follow.